Why pick Tifway 419 Bermuda grass for your next Houston area project? There's a reason you see this grass on professional football fields and championship golf courses across Texas. Tifway 419 has been the gold standard of hybrid Bermuda grasses for over 50 years. Houston homeowners want a lawn that looks elite but can actually survive 100-degree summers in a neighborhood of kids and dogs. Tifway 419 was engineered for sports. If it can handle 250-pound linebackers, it can handle your golden retriever. Its aggressive growth pattern with dual growth systems of stolons and rhizomes allows it to self-heal bare spots and divots in days and not months. When kept closely mowed, it creates a tightly knit canopy that creates a dense turf that physically blocks out the weed seeds and keeps them from germinating. Houston's heat dome can kill most grasses. Tifway 419 can thrive in the Houston heat. When drought strikes, the Tifway 419 Bermuda grass will turn brown to protect its roots, but wakes up almost immediately after the first rain. Its deep root system can go as deep as 6 feet in search of water, which gives it a massive advantage over shallow-rooted, cool-season grasses. The aesthetics of the Tifway 419 are what really set it apart. Its fine-bladed texture and deep, vibrant green color look like they belong on a fairway of a golf course. Tifway 419 is not just for sports, though. It's the ultimate curb appeal grass for modern, open-concept Houston landscapes. One thing that must be talked about when entertaining Bermuda grasses is sunlight. The Tifway 419 requires 8+ hours of direct sunlight per day to thrive. If you have a canopy of oaks, you need to be looking at the palmetto or cobalt St. Augustine instead. This grass can be mowed with a rotary mower, but needs to be mowed about every 4 days. For that manicured carpet look, it needs to be mowed between a 1/2 inch and 1.5 inches several times per week with a reel mower. It is important to never take more than 1/3 of the leaf tissue off at once. This grass also loves nitrogen fertilizer. We recommend a minimum of 4 fertilizations per year with the NitroPhos fertilizers to keep this grass looking its best. This grass comes from our farm in Bay City, Texas. Our Tifway 419 isn't sitting on a pallet in a retail parking lot for 3 days. It's cut fresh and delivered within 24 hours. If you have a sunny project and you want the toughest, most beautiful grass available, Tifway 419 is your answer. Give us a call at 281-431-7441 or visit our office in Arcola or get a quote at HoustonTurfGrass.com. Let's get your project started.
Tifway is sold by the 450 square foot pallet. You can pick up your grass at our office in Arcola, or we can deliver your grass to your project location. We deliver to most of Houston, Harris County, Fort Bend County, Brazoria County, and Galveston County. We also offer professional installation services. Because we know how our grass is grown, we can say that the quality of our grass is second to none in the Houston area. Call us at 281-431-7441 for answers to your questions and a quote for your project. Thank you.